So the first part of any project is always cutting up the wood and trying to be careful here while we do it, like all my fingers and toes. But just cutting strips, and then we will line those all up, pick some different types of wood to get some contrast, and in this I'm using some cherry, some maple, and some walnut. And then cutting them to match the length. You can see some of these boards were still fresh with their painted ends. And here we're just finishing up the other boards. I did use a piece of mahogany as this as well, which you'll see in the finished piece. And once everything was cut, we just lined up and set the pattern that we wanted and got it ready to glue, which we'll show here real quick. Once the boards were glued and cleaned up a little bit, I run them through the planer just to get them all to the same surface thickness, and then we'll take them over and drill them. I lost the video footage of drilling them, but you can see here just using a Forstner bit and spacing it out appropriately. I stain these with a cherry semi-transparent stain, again just to kind of bring out the red in some of the wood, darken up the walnut, and make the contrast pop a little bit. And here are the final products, and you can see them holding empty glasses. We'll have to fill them again soon. Thanks for watching, and remember, live for today, but build for tomorrow.